Hello, and welcome to the Ivy Tech Muncie Campus Bootcamp video series. In this video, we'll be taking a look at the Ivy support tools and how to find assistance with Ivy Tech departments and technologies. A quick note about using Ivy Tech platforms before we begin. You should have both the Chrome and Firefox browsers downloaded and installed on your devices. Use Chrome to access your platforms, and if something doesn't open or work for you in Chrome, try it in Firefox. If it still doesn't work for you, please contact the help desk. We'll be looking at how to submit a case to the help desk in this video. To find help at Ivy Tech, start on the My Ivy platform. You may be prompted to log in using your Ivy Tech email address and password. On the top menu, you'll see the Get Support option and the Find Answers option. Let's take a look at Find Answers first. The Find Answers option will take you to what's known as the knowledge base. This is a collection of help and information articles for almost every system that you'll work with while at Ivy Tech. To find a specific article or help guide, just type the name of that topic into the category search bar at the bottom right. That will show a list of topics. Put a check in the one that most relates to the topic you're interested in. A list of knowledge base articles will load for you to look through. To open an article, just click on its title. You can use the guides to find information about tools, details on how to use the tools, or contact information for various departments. When you've finished with the article, you can click the My Ivy icon at the top of the page to be taken back to the My Ivy homepage. If you'd like to put in a case to get help, then click on the Get Support option on the My Ivy homepage. You'll be taken to a selection of service areas where you can put in a case to receive assistance. Choose the area that most aligns with your needs. In this case, we're going to put in a help desk case for Ivy Learn. So we would choose the IT and Ivy Learn option. On the next page, we can narrow down our needs to a specific point. IT is to get help with things like account and login issues, Microsoft Office issues, and networks. Ivy Plus is for finding help with e-texts. To get help with Ivy Learn, we would select the Get Ivy Learn /EdTech Help option. To submit a case, simply fill out the form, include as many details as possible, such as the name of your course and/or assignment, if there are any error messages, and you can use the Add Attachments button at the bottom of the form to include screenshots if possible. Once the form is completed, click the Submit button. Be sure to check your Ivy Tech email often, as that is how the person assigned to help you with your case will communicate with you. Back on the My Ivy homepage, you'll be able to check on your cases and communicate with the person working your case by using the My Items option on the top menu. Simply click on the title of the item that you would like to work with. I'm going to go ahead and get mine up. And you'll be able to read past comments, follow directions that have been given to you about your case, or add a new comment. This has been an overview of the My.Ivy Tech platform and how to submit a help desk case. Thank you for joining us, and we hope to see you in the next video.